Welcome to another lesson on ChatGPT. Today we are discussing how ChatGPT works. You ask a question, an answer appears in seconds. What powers that magic? Let's unpack the ChatGPT architecture behind ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model. Its core skill is next token prediction. Scale turns this simple goal into powerful behavior. A language model assigns probabilities to sequences of words. Higher probability means a more likely continuation. By modeling patterns in text, it generates fluent responses. Not by lookup, but by prediction. Under the hood is a deep neural network. It's a stack of layers that transform numbers into richer representations. The parameters, billions of them, store learned patterns. Training tunes these parameters to reduce error. Each token becomes an embedding. Embeddings place similar meanings near each other in space. Numbers in, numbers out, meaning emerges from patterns. GPT uses the transformer architecture. Self-attention lets the model focus on relevant tokens. It computes query, key, and value interactions to weigh importance. Positional encodings preserve the order of tokens. Stacking many layers builds depth and abstraction. The model predicts the next token on massive datasets. Over billions of steps, it learns grammar, facts, and styles. It learns patterns, not absolute truths. After pre-training, alignment shapes behavior. Human feedback tunes safety and usefulness. The goal is helpful, honest, and harmless outputs. Your prompt is tokenized and fed through the layers. The model outputs a probability over the next token. Tokens stream out as the response. There is a finite context window. Very long prompts may cause earlier to be forgotten. The model can hallucinate confident but incorrect answers. Biases in data can surface in outputs. Thank you.